NWS Pittsburgh. Weather bulletin. Weather message for the following county: Ohio, West Virginia, and Washington, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Ohio County in northern West Virginia, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Imperial to near West Liberty, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Monroeville, McMurray, McKeesport, Washington, Cannonsburg, Avella, Gastonville, Plum, West Mifflin, Northside Pittsburgh, Baldwin, Upper St. Clair, Scott Township, Wilkinsburg, Whitehall, and South Park Township. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 40. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 55 and 57. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 50 and 61, and between mile markers 29 and 49. Interstate 279 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 2. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 55 and 84. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.